Well, M.E is mainly a customs broker and also a freight forwarder. We have a staff of 50 people at 4 offices: Milwaukee, Chicago, Atlanta, and Guadalajara, Mexico. We've been in business for over a century. Our initial emphasis was, of course, customs brokerage. We've been a freight forwarder for 35 years, and for the most part, our importers are focused on their product. We see in our job, first of all, is to keep them up to snuff with the compliance issues, but also assist them with the supply chain and bringing in their cargo. One of our biggest challenges in offering the service to our customers is the compliance that our government requires. The ISF, Importer Security Program, the supply chain security that Customs is pushing more and more, and general compliance. And the government's appetite for data is voracious and unending. Another challenge, of course, is trying to deal with the limited capacity of some of the carriers in regards to moving freight. I believe that the steamship lines and airlines have discovered that they will maintain their profitability by constraining voluntarily their capacity. That then means that shippers then have to be faced with possible degradation in their transit times. So we encourage our customers to not only take advantage of our customs brokerage and our freight forwarding skills, but also to allow their freight to be routed by us and our partners. We can find a solution that makes sense for them and be flexible enough to change the way that we move freight to be able to meet their demands. After all, if we're able to comply with what their requirements are, they can keep their own customers satisfied, so everybody wins. We've been with Kewill for 30 years. Actually, Kewill offered us the first opportunity to fully automate our office. We started with our customs department and moved on to freight forwarding. We looked for, at the time, a software provider that could meet our needs and to grow with us as we continue to expand our services. Kewill's software is totally scalable, and when we started with Kewill, we had 12 employees, and as I mentioned, we've grown to 50, and the system continues without a hiccup, without additional stresses, to be able to meet the requirements of our office. Kewill's approach is to give us an integrated program that can cover the base of our services, and we haven't found a single competitor that offers a complete package like Kewill. Quite frankly, some of the aspects and advantages of the Kewill programming we have not yet discovered. There's probably not a day that goes by that someone on our staff finds a simpler way to do something or discovers a new feature that perhaps Kewill has added that we hadn't fully appreciated. So it keeps us on the edge, and we enjoy being able to push the software as much as possible. So they've helped us, they've been a partner with us. Because we've bought into the software to essentially run our company, we don't have these time-wasting manual systems that the focus, and our entire staff understands it, is to find a way to maximize the utility of the software to be able to encourage more customers to come on board and service those customers in a way that they expect. I see that imports and exports will continue to grow. We will see quickly a return to pre-2007 activity. We will not go backwards. We will continue to expand our international relationships across the world, and supply chains, yes, will get longer, they'll get more complex, and M.E finds that this is an excellent time, and I think we're strategically situated to take advantage of the marketplace. There was a time in the late 80s or early 90s that it was an opinion in the industry that a lot of the smaller brokerage houses would go out of business because they would not be able to handle the requirements of the customers. Well, now that we have the software, we can match any of the services that our largest competitors offer. In addition to which, is that because we're smaller, we're focused on, let's say, the medium-sized and smaller importers, and we can tailor our services to meet their needs.